the version that Bet does that's also, it's track 3 on the, for the Boys soundtrack. So this one's for you, Mom. Dear, I thought I'd drop a line. The weather's cool, the folks are fine. I'm in bed each night at 9. P.S. I love you. Yesterday we had some rain, but all in all, I can't complain. Was it dusty on the train? P.S. I love you. Write to the Browns just as soon as you're able. They came around to call. I burned a hole on the dining room table, and let me see, I guess that's all. Nothing left to tell you, dear, except each day seems like everybody's thinking of you. P.S. I love you. P.S. I